So software will generate important reports, specifically called BIS reports and other common reports. So what is BIS report is basically is related to the hallmarking process you are doing in HOD and the data flow that you are doing there. So parallelly here this software is also generating based on your preliminary entries like receipt entry, invoice entry, and the extra entry that we recommend to do job card. This is a straightforward single entry and this XRF entry. So uh, with that itself, system can generate automatically all these four reports, which you can show while the BIS inspection comes up. So BIS normally asks these reports. So even though you are doing all these process in the HOD website, still they will ask. And and uh, and also you there is no way to assess the past data history from the HOD side. Otherwise, you may need to generate all this manually. So that may need a lot of time. So to save the time, it is always this software will give the output that you require for the BS report. So let's see what is BS report. There are five reports in BS report: receipt register, SRF register, sampling register, hallmarking register, and assay report. Let's see what is receipt. So this is a demo uh, software. So this have some dummy data only. This is not a production site, but you will have an idea of how this data look like. So this is the receive and delivery logging. So what time the receive came, so what time it delivered. So those kind of information it will there, and additional information such as the customer job card number, item, quantity, weight, all number of item, all marked and rejected. All these will be there. And also the information such as invoice number and delivery channel number will also be there. So let's see what's next. XRF register. The XRF register will have the data, the number of item came for the XRF reading and how many item, how many pieces you analyze in an XRF, like those kind of information. It will have all the information such as the customer job card number and item and the receipt number. Next one, sample register. Sample register is the number of items taken for sampling. Receipt number, customer job card, and the type of sampling you have used and the tag ID of that item and all those information. So this is sure just a dummy data. You may the data may not be relevant, so but it's just testing data. Hallmarking test. So again, kind of similar, but it's concentrating about number of item hallmark reject. And the last one is assay report. Assay report will generate based on your job card entry and test entry you have done in this software. So this will have an idea, give you an idea how the job card is connected to the particular test entry and particular item and the finest average it got finally. Those are the BI's report. And next is work report. Work report, we have work report all, work report credit and item wise. Let's see what is work report all. Work report all will show you the details based on the party or agent. It has an option like to filter credit or cash. I'm sure selecting both. You can see all the details like number of item, tax amount, and top out with the agent name. You can filter it here as well. So credit is just a credit only. You can pick one party and see their credit. And item wise is also again item wise details of the all transaction. It will have invoice number and which item was received for that invoice number and hallmark. This is a special report most of the jewelers going to ask. Then royalty, this is a monthly report and you need to pay monthly royalty for number of item you have hallmark. Since I don't have that much data, I'm picking all the that. This is a summary. It will look like this. You can use this report to upload the details to the BS. So and this one is again same report with aligned against the invoice number. Now obviously we have GST report we need to submit monthly. That is based on uh, different service. For example, Hallmark and Assay Engrave. So all of these you need to pay separate GST. So we will have those GST reports separately. This is again a monthly report since I don't have that many data in the systems. I'm using trying to show the entire. The output will be same for assay and engrave. Only the transaction differ. Next, one of the important report is losing customers. This is mostly for marketing the customers for the working center. So there may be chance is a competition, right? So you may be losing some of the customers because of other marketing centers new offers or something. So if you want to catch, if you want to get an alert of these changes, you can go ahead and just view this report. So that will show how many customers stopped to come to your center in the last 10 days. So that is criteria. So you can change the day, number of days. Another one is customer churn rate is the number of customers monthly. So this will give you an idea about the company growth, scale, how it is going. Do you need any special action or those kind of management level decision you can make. Audit logs obviously to see the actions done on the system by the employees. So is there any particular way of deleting data, or you can check why they have the data changes, additional changes they made. So you can verify it based on the activity. So this red color shows a deleting bill, and you will have the time of change 5 maximus, and in which we see did all the change. This is again for the helpful report for especially for the owners to track. So these are some of the important reports, and in the accounts, usually we have some of how to see uh, total credit list of entire customers, and you can see all the invoices if you click on the view, and also you can filter based on the month, and say there is a detailed report as well. You can see the report based on the agent credit list of, and you can generate credit note. That is a credit note option. And suppose you want to export the entire data into an Excel. Suppose you want to show that to some external accountant or for auditing purpose of anything, and you can. So this will generate in pivot format Excel sheet, then dashboard. So generate a dashboard, the number of, say in here it is hallmarking, and summary of how many party, how many, those kind of information, income, the expense, all this information in an Excel.